G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's cooking time and today I'm going to make a delicious canned tuna pasta using all fresh ingredients. It's super easy to make, so let me show you what I'm using. So for this, what I'm using is some freshly pressed olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, some chili flakes, I got some shallots I just fried, some fresh cut garlic, a tin of ocean caught tuna, some freshly picked capers, some trawler fresh anchovy fillets, some fresh cooked pasta, and some freshly picked spinach. Straight from this bag mix, which I picked out. Now the first thing I'm going to do is drain this oil out of this tuna because, well, we don't want this oil because the oil in this is sunflower oil and I don't want to use sunflower oil. So I'll just drain the oil out. I always like to drain it into a jar and set it down the sink. Now for those people who have to cook their pasta, now's the time to do that. Fortunately, I just picked this up for 40 cents at the supermarket. Thought I'd give it a try. Now I've warmed up a frying pan here to a medium heat. Let's see if it's... Now I did drain the oil out of here because it's vegetable oil, but if it's olive oil, leave the oil in. Because now I'm going to add some olive oil into there, and now I add just a spoonful of garlic, my one anchovy I've got left, and some chili flakes to however hot you want it, and we'll just cook and stir that for 1 minute. Chop up this anchovies. Now I'll add in the pasta. Ooh, jeez. Not liking the colour of that. Looks a bit grey. And the capers, well, you want about 1 teaspoon of those. This is a meal for one, by the way. If you've got a friend, then you'll just double this recipe. And we'll stir that through. And I'll add in the tuna. Warm that tuna up. Now squeeze about a tablespoon of lemon juice in there. You might want to add some salt and pepper. And my spinach leaves, these are just for colour really, unless you're healthy. And then they're for health as well. We'll turn that off now. And we'll just let that heat through all on the time. Now I just like to add a little bit of fried shallots in there, freshly cooked, just to give it a little bit of crunch and flavour. And that's it. Done! Boy, was that easy. Just plate that up. And there you have it, the canned tuna pasta. How easy was that? Smells good. All right. Oh. Wow. Man. That tastes so good. The saltiness of this is really nice with that anchovy in there, and those capers, they just give it this zesty sort of lemony saltiness that goes so well with the tuna and all the other ingredients. Mate, this is such a simple recipe and it literally took no time at all to make. But there you go, the canned tuna pasta, mate, such a simple thing to make, and it's even faster when you don't have to cook the pasta. How is this pasta, by the way? I didn't even know it was from a packet. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I cook up a storm. See you then. Ooh, yeah.